Kum kadak jong jing pen kuburom ya ki khun samla ki balala ban Pyndep ya ki Jingshah Hikai ha ki benta baper ki bakentup ya ki jing Hikai ban nang kumno ban Suhjain ka jing Hikai kumno ban le ya ka dress designing bat ka jing Hikai kumno ban tip ya ki core computer ka Bethany Institute of Resource Development ha omsning kelala ban ai da ki Syrnod sya ki khatwai ngut ki nong sya Hikai ki balwan na keleng ki jela jong ri India bat kuntup ru ya ki samla jong ri khasi jantia na ka ne ki jela Meghalaya uba Jason sokmi maulong kumu nong mi khmat jong athany ulalai pen poi ha gane kasingi kumu kongsan ha ka bana galiang jong neu nong mi khmat kum ka jing pni ki kam jong ka jing krishan na ka banta ki kam ba mentoi ki balale da gane ke institute ulai da ka jing rap kentup ya ka song pisa bat kum juru ki kor Suhjain sya ki bala Pyndep ya ka jing Syah Hikai lan ne ka samoi Syah Hikai
Cinti Manjana, Jingshah, Silap Jumam, Jing Tikan Simply, Mediawi, Jaha, One Club, Albert Happy Ward,
nalor jong UMLA lai don lang ru ki nong ilam ka than ki bakentup ru ya ki sister ki bari pech bat khmi ya ki jing bit jim yang jong ka ne ka silam ai jing Hikai I kong Audrey khong lam bat ki wei kum ka jing pen song tanat shu ya kene program la yoru ya ki jing rwai mat ki jing syat nang ki tigi khana samla ki balwan ban Syah Hikai ha kene ka silam ai jing Hikai
Because let me just speak in brief a bit. Because I've also, when it comes to the academic, I'm also not much of a bright student. So this institute has given these young bright students a platform to showcase their skill. That inborn skill is there, that hidden talent is inside them. So this institute has given them a platform, so when they leave from this institute, we go back with memories, of beautiful memories of what they have inculcated, what they have learned from this institute. Because not everyone is really good with the academics. Because if you look at the Indian system, it's mostly about academics, mostly about bookish. It's about what we learn in the classroom, not beyond outside the classroom. So it is a debatable, it is an arguable topic. Because as we see further and further as the time passes, the opportunity that is available for the young generation is innumerable. There's plenty of opportunity. So Bird has given them a platform. It can be, there are three, Bird has given the tailoring, dress designing and computer skill. I am sure Bird in the future can give more other vocational training because students from all around can come to this institute and learn and take back because whatever they learn from this institute, it is lifelong. No one can take it away from one who learns. It can be a lifeline for them in their career. It's something which they can earn and look after the family. It's something they can even teach others once they leave from this institute. So Bird has not only brought out young entrepreneurs, but Bird has brought up young individuals who will serve the society in their capacity. That is the whole purpose of this institute. And I'm sure, me as a young legislator, I'll work closely hand in hand with this institute. Because I am sure as time goes by, we need to work hand in hand because the requirement of the society, the requirement of the young generation are innumerable. They're constantly changing, they're constantly requiring. So we need to work hand in hand. So I request everyone that is here, especially sisters that are here, and whoever is a part of this institute, and all my friends, my colleagues, the headman as well is here. I think so, the headman is just behind. Thank you for your time as well. So everyone that is here, we'll work hand in hand. And sister, like I promised you earlier, I said that, okay, maybe I cannot provide you certain requirement, but definitely my contribution, it can be small, it can be minuscule, but I give it from the bottom of my heart. So please accept this contribution or maybe a token, I don't know what to call it.
Bird and its mission project was conceived on the occasion of 50th death anniversary of Bethany's revered founder, RFC Mascarenhas, who is declared now the servant of God on the path to sainthood. This facility, Bird, was inaugurated on 4th March 2017. Sister Clara Mendonça, the first director, gave a good beginning exploring various options with the support of Sister Lolia Juliana, the administrator. Bird visualizes the holistic development of people of Northeast India through the process of enabling children, youth, women and adults of the region through capacity building at different levels in order to enhance their resource capabilities. In other words, to promote resourcefulness of the people towards fullness of life. Hence the name of the Institute, Institute for Resource Development, Promotion of Human Resource for Fullness of Life in Northeast India, following the verse of Jesus in the Gospel of John 10:10. I have come that they may have life and life in all its fullness. The objectives of the Institute are to develop leadership skills, human dignity and justice, care for common home, Mother Earth, spiritual quest, holistic health, livelihood promotion, synergizing youth power, peace and progress. The courses held at Bird are on various subjects and topics. Awareness building on early child marriage, early marriage and drug abuse, capacity building, free coaching for 4 children in the evenings after class, exploring study skills, study camps, spoken English for adults, life skills and career guidance, leadership in youth and children, good governance, teachers, social work staff, rural health workers, training para-legal personnel, holistic health and health promoters with capacity building for all these categories. Then promotion of human rights, promotion of faith and spiritual quest, livelihood trainings, vocational skill trainings, skill training under the title Skilling Youth Power, computer course, and spoken English, tailoring, dress designing. Youth animation in a special way, youth animation in the villages around Umsni and at Bird, youth of Block D, Lumumpi, faith formation, impact of early marriages, leadership, career guidance, life coping skills.